For this project, you will need 1 can of cinnamon rolls. You will also need some cooking spray and a cookie sheet. Begin by preheating your oven. Then, take the little icing pack and put it on the back burner where the heat comes out so it can start melting while you're making your cinnamon roll hearts. Before we start making these hearts, make sure to spray your cookie sheet with your nonstick spray. So now the first thing we're going to do is take one of our cinnamon rolls and you're going to start unrolling it halfway. Then you're going to roll the other end towards the center until both of the rolled ends look to be about the same size. Place it on your cookie sheet and continue to shape it. You may notice that one side looks a little bigger than the other, so just kind of keep tweaking it and unrolling it until you get both of the rolled ends the exact same size, and then you can pinch the center down to make your heart shape. You'll probably notice that every time you make this, they look a little bit different. The other option you have is to make a really big cinnamon roll. So you'll just take one cinnamon roll and unwind it a little bit with the end sticking out. And then you're going to grab another one and do the same thing on the other side and just connect the ends. You can make these ends as long or as short as you want. But as you can see, it's the same thing we just did, but much larger. Because we're connecting 2 separate pieces of dough, it doesn't always stick together. And that's why I do it the other way. Now in this one, I'm making it very short. So you can kind of see the difference between these 3, how you can make them look totally different. You can have them be shorter hearts or longer hearts. So just make them however you like them. So now comes the part where we put the icing on. As you can see here, the icing looks a little messy, but you can let it sit for a bit and let the icing melt more, or you can place it back in the oven so it becomes almost translucent. As you can see here, you can see the shape of the heart a lot better, and there's still icing on it. So it's really up to you. You can have the icing be a little thicker and it'll be whiter, or you can melt it a little bit more so that it's more translucent and you can see the shape of the heart. But overall, either way you go, it's just a really cute little idea that you can do for a Valentine's treat. And it's really fast and easy to make.